All KitchenAid stand mixers are adjusted at the factory for optimal performance. If your mixer does not reach all the ingredients in the bottom of the bowl, or your flat beater is scraping on the bottom, these are clues that the beater to bowl clearance needs to be adjusted. Through time, shipping, and use, it's possible that the adjustment has changed. It's very easy to make a simple adjustment to raise or lower the flat beater to ensure best mixing performance. All you need is a flat beater, which is the one that's shaped like a leaf, a heart, or a spade. And a flat beater can either be white coated aluminum or burnished aluminum, which is silver colored. You need a dime, not a penny, nickel, or any other coin, and a flathead screwdriver. If your flat beater is scratched or scraped on the bottom, it is important to replace it. It's important to perform the dime test with a beater that is intact. If yours is not, please call us back when you receive your new one, or refer to this video so that we can assist you in making this simple adjustment. How does the dime help you know if your beater is too high or too low? When you look into your bowl, it's not easy to tell if the beater is close to the bowl or not. It's important to have a 1/16 of an inch clearance for best mixing performance. If your beater is too low, it will scrape on the bottom of the bowl and may also cause the head of the mixer to move slightly up and down while in use. If the beater is too high, it will not be able to incorporate all the ingredients in the bottom of the bowl. A beater that is too high can also prevent the head of a tilt head mixer from locking properly, also causing it to move up and down. A dime is a 1/16 of an inch in thickness, and it provides a good visual aid to help us adjust the beater to bowl clearance. First, you want to unplug your mixer. You want to attach the flat beater in the bowl and drop the dime anywhere into the bottom of the bowl. Turn the mixer to the stir speed and observe what is happening to the dime. If the dime does not move at all, that means the beater is too high. If the dime moves around continuously, that means that the beater is too low, and it's possible that your beater is scraping the bottom of the bowl. This could potentially wear the white coating off your flat beater. If the dime is traveling slowly around the bowl, moving about 1/4 to 1/2 inch with each pass of the beater, that means the beater to bowl clearance is correct. Always make sure your mixer is unplugged when you make adjustments to your mixer. It may be necessary to plug and unplug your mixer numerous times while making this adjustment. Lift up the head of your tilt head mixer, and in the hinge, where the head and the body of the mixer connect, is a large screw. There are also 2 very large black screws on the top sides of a tilt head mixer. These are not to be removed. They are not related to adjusting your mixer, and if you remove them, it's possible you will not be able to reinsert them and your mixer will not turn on. The screw that we're looking for is completely hidden when the mixer head is in the down position. Only when you lift up the head of the mixer will you see it. It's located in the hinge. This adjustment screw is located in another area on bowl lift stand mixers. Once you have located the correct adjustment screw, using a flathead screwdriver, turn the screw 1/4 turn to the right to lower the beater. It is important to not turn it more than 1/4 turn at a time and to check the clearance in between. If more adjustments are needed, unplug the mixer and repeat until the dime moves around the bowl 1/4 to 1/2 inch at each pass of the beater. Similarly, if your beater is too low and scrapes the bottom of the bowl, turn the screw 1/4 turn to the left to raise the beater. It is important to not turn more than 1/4 turn at a time and to check the clearance in between. If more adjustments are needed, unplug the mixer and repeat until the dime moves around the bowl 1/4 to 1/2 inch at each pass of the beater. Adjusting the beater to bowl clearance using the dime as a visual aid helps to obtain the best possible mixing performance and should be done periodically for best results. Happy mixing!